Get in here, get in here, get in here. It's the last week of the 9 weeks. We're halfway through the fall semester. Hey, I sure hope you did your makeup work. Because if you did, that's on you, not on me. Guys, 8th grade is offered every year. I'm just letting you know. We only get 2 assignments per week in our reading class and in our English language arts. That's 4 assignments for you. You got to stay up top of it. There is no way around it. Two things before we begin this week's announcements. One, the district has moved to a paperless district. That means we are not passing out paper copies of anything anymore. Guys, you're going to get your work online through Nearpod. That way, I could keep a record of your annotation, your documentation, whatever you're doing or not doing. Nearpod records that. All answers for our assignments will now be in All in Learning. No longer are we using Google Forms. It's going to be in All in Learning. Guys, thirdly, just so you'll know, when y'all tell your parents you've done something and this and that, Nearpod provides documentation of every activity, every stroke that you do or do not do. I'm just letting you know that's fair warning because we're going into the second half of the fall semester. Guys, if you missed up on this one, you got to step it up real strong for the next one. We don't have 3 opportunities to get our grades up. You only got 2. All right. Now, this week we're back at poetry and figurative language, which your teacher is, your favorite teacher that is the queen of idioms and hyperboles. I'm the prettiest teacher in Dallas ISD for the 16th year. I'm the best teacher in Dallas ISD. All your daddies want me, I will eat you whole. Girl, you made me want to kiss you on your mouth. All of those are figurative language. All right. This week we are going to do that, looking at extended metaphors, comparing two unlike things, how they are similar. They have more similarities. And yeah, that's the best way to say that. And then we're going to make inferences based on textual evidence. Guys, we can't keep saying, oh, I think this. And then when somebody asks you why, oh no, I just think that. We're going to provide textual evidence to support what we say. And lastly, we're going to do grammatical elements. What do you do when you see a comma in a poem? What about that period? What does that dash mean? And that exclamation mark, everything your teacher does probably does or say probably need an exclamation mark because I show some strong feelings or emotions. Guys, I am super excited for 2 reasons. One, I know you bought your favorite teacher some candy. 2, I'm off tomorrow. Hey. No, I'm really not off. I will be driving people to the poll. Guys, with that said, if your parents go vote and you bring me that little sticker that says, I voted in Dallas County, you can add 5 points to your lowest assignment in reading and your lowest assignment in writing. Make sure your parents go vote. Bring me that sticker. If you do not have a sticker, I cannot give you the extra credit points. Have a super fantastic day and enjoy your tomorrow off because I am. Yes, I am.